So first you have to start with the top head on the curve, like this. Then you're going to put a bit down. Now we're going to start with the beak. Okay, and then we're going to do its body. Now we're going to put it to its tail. Now we're going to attach the head with its tail. Okay, now we're going to start with its legs. Now its eyes. So we're going to put a curve on the top, then the bottom, put the circle and a dot in there. Lastly, we're going to make its branch. So you're going to put a line like this, a line like that. And then we're going to make the leaves.